Yuri teacher, Yuri teacher, Yuri teacher, try. Anyways, guys, how are you guys doing today? Guys, it's already September 2nd. Can you guys believe it? Yes? I think, the year 2022 is almost over. It feels like it. And guys, can you believe, like, we only have a few months left till your graduation day? Yes. Your teacher is already sad because we only have a few months left till graduation. Oh, I'm not gonna see Ari or Lyle, or I can't see Moana anymore. After the graduation home, Oscar, Chloe, and everybody, I'm gonna miss you, Christina. So sad already. Your teacher is already very, very, very sad. Anyways, but we only have few months left, so you guys have to study more though, okay? We have to study really, really hard the rest of the month. Alright, so you can read all the words by yourself. Alright, guys? Are you guys ready? Yes? Are you guys ready? Alright, so we went over all the long O sounds words this week as well. Like these words, remember? Okay, so we're gonna go over all the long O sounds words. So are you guys ready? Yes? So guys, what is this, guys? This is O with the magic E. So this is O. What is it? O, t, right? Oat, oat. And what about this one? This is O's, O's. And this is own, own with the magic E. Yes. Oh, so last week we all learned ol and and op sounds words. Remember? Okay, so have to remember all the o sounds words. Okay. But this week we're gonna go over own, os, and o words. Are you ready? All right. So let's go over the o's words first. So let's see. Oh, I think Johnny can read all the words by himself so good, and your teacher is so proud of it. Okay, so. What is this, guys? Johnny, I'm so proud of you. Alright, so this is R-O's. What is R-O's? Rose. R-O's, rose, right? And this is O's. H-O's, hose. How easy is this, guys? And this is a N-O's, nose. N-O's, nose. Are you watching this video live? Yes? Or you're just doing your homework by yourself? Stella, you're absent. Where are you? Probably you're swimming in the swimming pool, or maybe you're having really, really lots of fun with your mommy and daddy. Stella, I miss you. And let me see. We're gonna go over the O2 words this time. This O2 words, okay? This is oat, note. This is so easy, right, Oscar? And this is oat, vote. Own. Two words. This is own words, okay. This is own, cone. Own, cone. And what about this one? Own, bone. Own, bone. Got it? Alright, so I think you guys can read all the words by yourselves, right? So easy. What is this? David. What is this, Stella? Stella didn't take the homework yesterday. I forgot to give it to you, I'm sorry. Alright, so this is R-O's, hose, nose, note, vote, cone, bone. Got it? How easy is this? Like always. Alright, so you guys all the long sound words? All the long sound words, right? You guys can read all the long sound words by yourselves, right? So your teacher is going to give you the dictation part of your homework, guys. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready to write it down on your paper? Yes? Alright, so are you guys ready or no? Ready or not? Your teacher's gonna just start. Alright, so guys, so number one, numero uno, like always. Number one, guys. This is note. N-oat. Note. Write it down. Number 1. Honey, write it down. N-oat. Note. Write it down on your paper. Number 1. Alright. Number 1. Jiwon, are you watching this video? Finally, yes? N-oat. Note. Number 1. And number 2. Número 2. R-O's. Rose. R-O's. Rose. R-O's. Rose. Number 2. Write it down. Don't look at your teacher's face. Just write it down. Number 2. Rose. 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 Got it? And number 3. Number 3. Número 3. Right? Sorry. What is this? Oh, number 3. I'm sorry. This is cone. Cone. Cone is a cone shape. Cone. Cone. Not corn. Cone. 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 Number 3. Cone. Finish. And number 4. Number 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. My video just stopped. Don't know why. Press it again. Is it working? Number 4. Number 4 is bone. 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 That's number 4. Bone. I think my bone is so weak. And my sister has a really thick bone. So number 4 is bone. Bone. Number 5 is vote. 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 Number 5, right? Number 5, right? Okay, number 5. Número 5, yes? Vote. 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 You know what is the vote in Korean? Yes? Ask your mommy. Okay. Vote. And number 6 is nose. 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 That's number 6. Got it. We have number till 6, right? Nose. Number 6 is nose. Alright, so you guys did an excellent work. And your teacher's gonna see if David and Stella can read all the words. Alright? I'm gonna call out David and Stella. I think David was very good and Stella was, I know Stella can read all the words, but Stella was a little bit naughty. Anyway, so let's call out David and Stella. David and Stella, let's find out how they read the words, okay? Stella, David. Everybody say hello. Alright, so today we're going to go over all the long... Alright, so long O sounds first. So David's gonna go first and then Stella's gonna go next, okay? Okay, so David, come here. David, this is oot words. What is the note? Note. Note. And Stella, come here. Stella, what is this? Own. Stella, own. I don't think I can do it anymore. Do you want to be in my YouTube video clip or no? Come on, let's sing. Okay, so Stella, one more time. I'm going to give you one more chance. Own. David, what about this one? This is a bone. Bone. Oh, very good. And Stella, what is it? O's. I don't know what I'm gonna do, David. What's wrong with Stella? Please calm her down. Stella, what is it? O's. David. David, what is the hose?
Hose.
Hose, yes. Please, guys. Stella, come on. Stella, what is hose?
장미. 원래 어른들이 말하는 장미는 영어로
This is rose.
로제예요.
Yeah. Oh, yes. Very good. Say rose. Say
장미.
rose.
장미.
Okay, what about Stella? Say rose.
장미.
I think your mommy and dad is gonna get so angry. Alright, so what about this one? Oh, my nose.
Nose.
Nose, yes. What about this one? No. Vote. 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 Bye bye, guys. Everyone, Yuri teacher is back because this part of the video clip is for the class roll video competition. So you guys have to follow Yuri teacher right now, and you are going to do this right in front of your mommy and daddy, and they're going to take a video clip and send it to Yuri teacher back. Okay? So guys, are you guys ready to follow Yuri teacher? Yes? Alright, so you guys already know this, so you have to practice at home and tell your mommy to take the video clip, okay? So everybody, are you ready? Yes, we're gonna do it together. Here we go. I am smart. I am strong. I am a leader. English school. English class. English speaking. Here we go. Class roll. Class roll. Rule number 1. Listen carefully. Rule number 2. Follow directions. Rule number 3. Do not disturb others. Rule number 4. Respect others. Rule number 5. Speak English. Speak English. This is what you have to do, and your teacher is going to give you a month to finish this. Alright, so take your time. You have to practice at home and take a video clip and send it to your teacher. Okay? Alright, so have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys next week. Melting, freeze! One more time, melting, freeze! David out. David. One more time, melting, Dave, Johnny, melting, freeze! Who's moving? Who's moving? Who's talking?
Me. 진짜 근데
Johnny pass. Oscar out. Oh, Mary pass. Olivia pass. Stella pass. Haley out. David pass. Oscar pass. Johnny pass. Oh, who's moving?